Hello everyone, welcome back again. But today we are going to create the intro to your presentation or a logo intro. This is the channel logo before the new one. Let's try to create it. Let's see what is happening. If you like something like that, don't forget to like and subscribe. Some of you may say it's not yet very beautiful. I tell you why, because it's lack of contrast. Now we are going to recreate it and make it to look perfectly beautiful. At first we need to add a blank space, and after that we create a rectangle. By pressing shift you can create a circle. After that press Ctrl and place them in the middle and center. Place them in the middle. Okay, it's good. Now select the background and set the shape outline to none for now, but we are going to change it. Go to picture and go to format shape. You can from here shape option, fill, picture or texture. Add your picture, for example this PowerPoint, and you can offset it from here to look like what you want. Okay, but for that we have the picture here. We just simply copy the picture and paste it here. Okay, paste it here. Then we need to make the one size. It's a little tricky, but not too hard. Okay, after that we need to align both of them in the center. Now we need to change this circle. We create another one and send it to back. I tell you why. Now we have 3 circle. Let's color it black and copy our text and paste it here. We increase it in size, then change them format to something that match the color of this background here. We just simply go to shape and reduce the color. No, the black is good. Now what this thing is doing, it's important one. We changed its color to something very bright like blue. Then we copy that slide. We select all of them here, and before that bring this to front, then select all of them and go to shape format and align them center. Now here we bring it to front and then just simply press Ctrl and Shift, reduce the circle in size. Now set the transition to morph. And let's see, the magic is happening. But we can make it slightly better. How? We select all of them, go to shape format and present, and give them a little shadows like this something. It make it look more beautiful. And you can also change the shape color, text color, I think, to something more brighter like this. And you can also reduce the size of this L and increase the size of all of them. Now it's good everything. Let's see how it looks like. It's pretty amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and ask me if you need anything in the comments. I will answer you. Until then, have a nice